have a little bit of a side hustle now. So I've realized that a lot of people don't have ledgers and they don't know how to set up their ledger and the importance of the ledger. Now, you just talked about some of the guys in Blue Check that have actually been scammed and lost their NFTs or lost crypto. What I am doing is I am sitting down with people one-to-one. I am providing the ledger. I bring them the ledger. And I walk them through how they can, open up the ledger, secure, get a wallet, get a MetaMask wallet. I teach them all of that because look, it takes like, 4 months it took like 4 months for me to learn all this stuff and then learn that I really needed a ledger and that my important stuff needs to go on a ledger. So we're just starting to promote that. That's a new side hustle that I've got going on in addition to everything else that I do. Look, I think everybody who's in the crypto space needs a ledger. You also have not gotten a ledger.
No, not yet. I hope it's coming.
Oh, you bought it?
I'm gonna buy one soon. Like I know I've seen like some of my teammates like being like not doing properly things, like maybe not closing OpenSea, disconnecting and keeping their wallet connected to some website, and I've seen what happened. So I really want to, not that I have anything super valuable, but I kind of want to protect my some of my NFTs that I do have,
and your crypto as well.
Yeah.
That's super important as well. I started off, you introduced me to crypto.com. You got me involved in crypto.com. I have a mixed feeling about that company. It's in Hong Kong. It's an international. There are pluses and minuses to it, but now I only buy through Ledger Live. If it's not able to be backed up onto my ledger, I simply don't buy it. It's not a coin that I get into.